Alright guys, so we're doing another conversion on the Expediting van. This one we're putting in the cabinets. We already did the refrigerator and the microwave. We took the cabinet down that was up here, this cabinet, so we're just doing it like the other one, putting this in pretty much. So that's where we're at. Framing up a box, so it's just a little box. We could put the straps and everything. It's gonna have a lid cover, and then you still have space for the pallet. See how it has that tapered in shape, so the pallet will go in, slide in and slide back out with no issues. Yeah, so we're converting another one, guys. This one is the newer one, the newer van, so we change it up a little bit and put, you know, this one had the floors already and everything. We had a different fridge in there, so we changed the fridge, took the cabinet off the side, clean it up a little bit. We're gonna put the bed like how we did the other one on the side, the fold out bed. We're gonna do that as well. And then see this side, we gotta work on this side. So anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna get some more of this board right here from the Home Depot. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so we finished up this van right here. This is the second one. We have all the cabinets in. If you notice, the other one had wood all the way to the ceiling. This one already had paneling, so all we did was just put the cabinets on the side, both sides, just like the other one. And we did our bed right there. We have microwave, refrigerator, you know, a power supply, inverter, you know. So pretty much we've simplified it. The other one had a cabinet we bolted up here when we were on the road, but on this one we kind of simplify it and just put two cabinets back there, so it's a lot of space. They could put a lot of stuff in there. See, this one is empty, there's nothing in there. And in this one, in Expediting, you know, you have to have your straps. You might not see it well, but you have to have your straps, you know, your pallet puller. We have a bunch of other safety stuff like your cones, you know, extension cord. You have the chains, kind of dark down there, but you have everything back there. We give them a water bottle, you know, iPad for the GPS, stuff like that. So yeah, this one is all done. Fire extinguisher, hard hat, it's all done. So on to the next. And this is the other one right here. See, this one has the same treatment, has everything in it. Expediting, so anybody who need a van to go out and do some expediting, doing some driving and stuff, they could, you know, link me up, DM me, and we can get you in one of these. Go drive and see America and make some money, you know. Right now we in a gas station. We have another one over there. We're taking that one and putting the driver into this middle one right here. So stay tuned and watch what I go on.